Good day to you, everybody. Today we want to discuss this question. We want to knock this question. So let's see how it goes. We have to solve the question of x to the power 4 from here. That's binomial expansion. And trust me, this is another examination question for high school, and it's not difficult at all. Just pay attention and listen to how this goes. I will not go for the formula, but I'll just use the manual method. There is a manual method that's going by the Pascal triangle. It may be long, but you would understand. There is good job to Pascal, who actually came up with the theorem, that's the Pascal triangle thing, which talked about. Let me quickly give you an idea of how Pascal works. So it's like a triangle. We call it like a triangle. When you are having power of 1, power of 0, then you have 1. You have, let me quickly rush it. When you have power of 1, then we have 1 and 1. When you have power of 2, you have 1 plus 1, that is 2, then we have 1. When you have power of 3, that is 1, then this is going to be 3, this also 3, then we have this 1 here. When we go to power of 4, then we have 1, then we have 1 plus 3, that is 4, 3 plus 3, that is 6, 3 plus 1, that is 4, and 1. When we go 5, that is 1, then this is 5, this is 10, another 10, another, then we have 5, we have 1. So if you are going for power of 6 that we are to do, so we have our 1 here, 1 plus 5, that is 6, 5 plus 10, that is 15, 10 plus 10, that is 20, we have 10 plus 5, that is 15, then 5 plus 1, that is 6, then we have 1. So definitely we are using this. But because we are to go for power of 4 here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can stop. Nothing stops us from stopping once we get to this point. And once we have already been assured that we are using 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1, where we are stopping at this point, it's going to be, it will interest you that what we can do from here is to go for 1. Then the idea behind the manual is that the first value here, we have two values here, that's 1 and minus 2x. So this one, I call this one A, then I call the remaining here B. So we can decrease our A from the highest power of 6, while we reduce our B. We increase our B, from the highest power from 0 to the highest power. See what I'm trying to say? So I'll have 1 raised to power 6. Once I have 1 raised to power 6, then I will have this one raised to power 0, which is still 1. So I'll go for the second one, that is plus. Then I'll have 6. This second one, this one is 1 already, so we don't have to go that far. This is 6 into the second one, that is 1 raised to power 5 now, which is still 1, into minus 2x. Here it was 0, that's why we didn't have it, but here it will be 1 now. So we go for the third one, that is plus 15 into 1, 6, 5, then obviously 4. Then we have minus 2x raised to power 2 here. So we have this one now, we have 20, so we have plus 20 now into, we have 1 raised to power 3 now, then minus 2x raised to power 3. So once this is to power of 3, definitely we are ending here not on 20, we are ending on 15. So we have plus 15 1 raised to power 2, which is the same thing as 1. Then we have minus 2 to the power of 4. Let us sort this out now. So 1 raised to power 6 is 1 here. Then plus 6 into, this is 1, that is on minus 2, that is minus 2. Then I have plus 15 here. This is 1 also into, that is 4x squared, please. I have 4x squared here. Then I'll go for plus 20 here into 1 and minus 8x cubed. Then I would then have plus 15 into 1 and 16. There's x here, sorry, so we have x to the power 4. This is where we are actually going, so we don't need this one. So this is what we are asked to find its coefficient. So we can just go 15 times 16 x to the power 4. So 15 times 16, that is 240. That is 240 x to the power 4. So the coefficient of x to the power 4 here is 240. So with that, you have your correct answer. All you need to do is to tick your 240 and you are out of the game for the next question. That is all. So that is how this question works. If you have a question, please drop it at the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to do that. Thank you very much.